Alrighty. So Ava Jolie has the hiccups. See that? Isn't that cute? Let's see if I can get a better angle here. So she's laying in my lap, hiccuping like a crazy girl. Hiccup, hiccup. Good. See? Look at that. That's amazing. Alright, that's enough hiccups.
She doesn't seem bothered by it.
Not at all.